Welcome to El Mercadito by Jalen Francis, Jason Clark, and Katie Russ.
We expect that students will have at least some Spanish A1 knowledge before they begin to play our game, but honestly, they really only need to know numbers 1 through 10 so that they know the quantity of food that they're supposed to be choosing for at least for the easy level. Some small talk will be helpful in understanding the medium level and the hard level, but as for that first level, that novice level, we're going to be teaching vocabulary through trial and error. So students will have 3 chances to figure out what is being asked of them, and there's usually only a choice of 3 foods at a time to pick from. So the students should be able to, using context clues and trial and error, figure out, oh, this word must mean this fruit. Additionally, on the easy level, we will have slightly slower speech to help students with comprehension. The medium level will teach students how to pick out important information from more naturalistic speech. The speech will also be a little bit faster. And the hard level will prepare students to comprehend something a little bit closer to Spanish A2 speech.
For next steps and missing features, we had a few things we'd like to add. One of the big ones was speech recognition. We'd like to make it so that you as the employee are required to greet your customers, answer their questions before they actually end up just stating their requests. We'd like to add more authentic voices. We could do this by potentially using pre-recorded voice lines instead of text-to-speech algorithms. And we would also like to add multiple locations so that you are in different countries, have to experience different Spanish dialects and slang.
Alright, what we learned designing for VR. First, quick iteration and constantly testing with the headset is crucial. Next, designing around natural physics interactions to the menus makes the game a lot more interactive. Now, to teach a foreign language through immersion, we wanted to add cultural immersion by placing them in Cuba and also have them bypass translating to L1. And then for learning vocab, we gave them context and actions to do. Now, reflections on working in an interdisciplinary team was that we had to learn how to merge pedagogical insight from language teammate while also doing the CS implementation. And then lastly, making sure we communicate at all times. Okay, welcome to the game. We're on easy mode and went ahead and asked for dos naranjas, which is 2 oranges. So we go ahead and place them onto the table. And once we complete the order, we'll get credits.
Perfecto.
So it thanks us, and we got 5 dinero for every single fruit. Now we're on medio mode.
Buenos días. Necesito 3 manzanas para hacer
And
una
so in
tarta.
medium mode, they ask a little bit more, they talk a little bit more before actually giving the order. And so as we can see, we can go ahead and put more fruit onto the table. And we also get so many tries before they stop.
Perfecto. Que disfrutes tu tarta.